What do you do to celebrate the new year? Do you do anything fun? Do you celebrate with any funny friends? In this video, we'll talk about the difference between fun and funny.
How did you like my New Year's Eve party?
It was fun. I loved the music and dancing.
Did you see Mark there?
I did. He's really funny. All his stories made us laugh. What's the difference between fun and funny? Fun can be a noun or an adjective. We use it as an adjective to describe something that's enjoyable. Skiing is fun. The baseball game was fun. Funny is an adjective. We use it to describe something that makes us laugh. Her jokes are so funny. The movie was funny. I laughed a lot. Click pause and fill in the blanks with fun or funny. This is American English. Thank you for watching.